Hey guys, I'm going to be doing the this or that part, and I'm moving to my iPod Touch, which is my second video. Yeah, those are all the questions and that stuff from August 21. So, hope you guys like this video, and let's start now. Yeah, okay. Makeup. Since I don't wear makeup, I'm not going to be really sure about, like, what to choose, so I might skip it, and for the other ones too, I might skip it, so, like, don't really matter or anything. So, blush or bronzer. Blush, lip gloss or lipstick, eyeliner or mascara, foundation or concealer, skip, since I don't wear any of those, neutral or color eyeshadow. Yeah, neutral, not just right. Pressed or loose eyeshadows, loose, blush or sponges, brushes, nails, OPI or china taste, OPI, long or short, appearance or natural, bright or dark, bright, sour or no sour, skip, body, perfume or body splash, lotion or body butter, lotion, yeah, body wash or soap, body wash, Lush or other bath company, fashion, jeans or sweatpants, long sleeves or short, dresses or skirts, both, stripes or plaid, flip-flops or sandals, flip-flops, scarves or hats, scarves or dangly, both, necklaces or bracelets, both, heels or flats, both, cowboy boots or riding boots, yep, jacket or hoodie, Forever 21, Charlotte Russe, Forever 21, Abercrombie or Hollister, head, Skiff or Nordstrom, I don't know, since I don't have both of those in the area. Hair, curly or straight, straight, bun or ponytail, bun, bobby pins or butterfly clips, both, hairspray or gel, hairspray, long or short, long, light or dark, light, no dark, sorry about the word face, sweet bangs or full bangs, sweet bangs, up or down, up, random, rain or shine, summer or winter, summer, fall or spring, chocolate or vanilla, East Coast or West Coast, East Coast. Sorry, that's so fast, but I'm just reading off of this. So I hope you guys like this video, comment, rate, subscribe. Yeah, I don't know. So